Alright, finally onto the unit test of matrices. This is going to be hard, but just give it a shot. Find the inverse of the matrix. Okay, so the inverse, the inverse of the matrix, let's call this, vector A is, the inverse is, hold on, that's 1 over the determinant of A, multiplied by the adjoint, the adjoint of A. So the determinant is -4 times -6, which is 24, minus 0 times -10, which is just 0, so it's just 24. So 1 over 24. Then the adjoint of A, you just swap A and D, so you get -6 here, -4 here, and negate B and C, so this is still 0 and this is 10. Take 1/24 of each of the entries, and you get -1 over 4, 0, 10 over 24, what's that? Simplified, that's like 5 over 12, right? 5 over 12, and -1 over 6. Alright, so -1 over 4, 0, 5 over 12, and -1 over 6. Alright, this is the result of composing A and B. Okay, so B, so I'll just write it like this: 2, -3, 1, 2, and 1, -2, 3, 4, -4. Right. So this this goes to this, and then goes to this, and then this goes to this, and then those do this. So let's do that. So 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. Add both of them up, and you get 5. And then, wait, 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 3 is 5. And then you do, no wait, no, that's not how you do it. I got mixed up. Okay, so 2, yeah, I got mixed up here. Well, let me undo a bit. Okay, so 2, this goes to this here, and then this goes to this here, and then this goes to this here, and that goes to that here. So, okay, so 2, 1, 3. Oh, why am I putting that as a fraction? 2, 1, 3, plus -3, -3, -2, -4, and then 1, 1, 2. Wait, am I missing something? Wait, let me simplify this a bit. So 2, 6 plus 6, 12. That's 8, 18. 8, 18, that's none of the values there. So I might be doing something wrong. Hold on. So 0, what? So B. So this is B, and this is A. So 2, 1, 3, and add to -3, -2, -4. Continue with that plan earlier. And then to the side of that over here, but I don't have enough space. We can do. No, wait. I was right about going vertical. You have to add 1, -2, 4. And then to the side of that, you go -3, 1, 3, plus, yeah, this is it. 2, -2, 4. Again, you just evaluate it. And when you evaluate, you get 2, 6 there, plus -2, 4, and to the side of that is negative 3, negative 9, plus, wait, that's negative 2, right? Oh yeah, this is negative. Let's not forget that. Let's not mess that up. Negative 9, and plus negative 4, negative 8. Add both these up. You get 0. Wait. Plus negative 2. 1 plus 2. Wait. I really don't want to mess this up. Take the things from B. 1, 3. 1 and 3, and plus 1, negative 2, negative 4. 6. Did I? 2, negative 3, 1, 2. Oh my god, I wrote it wrong. This is negative 1, negative 3. Oh my god, this is so bad. Okay, so 2, negative 1, negative 3. This changes it completely. Plus negative 4. Oh my! I'm gonna redo this. All because of that little error rewriting the matrix. So 2, negative 1. I'm gonna create some room for myself here. 2, negative 1, negative 3, plus 1, negative 2, negative 4, and then negative 3, negative 1, negative 3, plus 2, negative 4. You evaluate this, negative 2, negative 6, plus negative 2, negative 4, and then get 3, 9 here, plus negative 4, negative 8, and then you evaluate this, you get negative 4, negative 10 here, and there you get negative 1 and 1. Negative 1, 1. Negative 1, 1, right? Negative 1, 1. I don't want to miss. Hopefully I got it correct. Negative 1, 1. Alright. That was more work that was necessary than necessary. Okay, so the first column here is just the x value. So 3, negative 1, 8. 3, negative 1, 8. 3, negative 1, 8. And 0, negative 2, negative 4. 0, negative 2, negative 4. And then 3, 3, negative 6. 3, 3, negative 6. And then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Am I missing any negative signs? No, I'm not. Okay. Find the product. 1/2 times negative 4 is simply negative 2. 1/2 times 6 is simply 3. 1/2 times 2 is 1. And 1/2 times 0 is 0. Okay, 0 minus 2 is negative 2. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. 4 minus negative 2 is 6. 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, the matrix blah. The matrix represents the number of toys that each machine produces each day. Complete blah, blah, blah. For the box cell in the first row, and the second column. So it's this one. This one over here. Choose the interpretation. So machine 1 produces 25 toys from type toy 2 in a day. Answered 2 questions about the following matrix. Okay, so negative 8, 4. I'm going to look for negative 8, 4. Negative 8, 4 is... Okay, this automatically, it does not have an inverse because negative 2, 1 is negative 8 negative 2, 1 is a multiple. No, negative a 4 is a multiple of negative 2, 1. Okay, but let's see anyway. So negative 2, 1. Negative 2, 1 is like. Negative 2, 1 is like here. And negative 8, 4 is like here. That's in a line, so it does not have an inverse. Blah, and very active on various online social networks. Matrices A represents the total number of different networks they followed at the beginning of the year, and matrix B it's at the middle of the year. Okay, matrix C is as follows: B minus A. So it's it represents the how many how like the total number of networks they follow each other at between the middle of the year and the start of the year. Not throughout the year, because it only says through the middle of the year. The difference between how many, nope, the changes, yeah, let's see. That's exactly what I did. Solve the system. So, hold on. So, okay, so, okay. So here you have to find. Okay, so I'm gonna find the inverse of A here. So I'm gonna find the determinant of A first. So the determinant of A is negative 0.6 times 1.4 minus negative 0.4 times 1.6. I'm gonna grab my calculator here. Negative 0.6 times 1.4 minus negative 0.4 times, times 1.6. And you get negative 0.2. So the determinant of A is negative 0.2. So that's negative 1/5. 1 over negative 1/5. That is negative 1/5. That's negative 5. So negative 5. And then the adjoint of A is swap the A and D. 1.4. Oh, got a notification. 1.4, negative 0.6, and negate the B and C, negative 1.6 there, and 0.4. Wait, I'm gonna make sure I didn't mess up on anything. So I found a determinant. I hope that's correct. Negative 0.6 times 1.4 times 1.4 is approximately negative 0.84. Negative 0.4 times 1.6 is negative 0.64. Yeah, it's negative 0.2. So, and 1 divided by negative 0.2 is negative 5. Okay, so I'll find finding the inverse, negative 5 times 1.4. 5 times 1.4 is negative 7. Negative 7, negative 5 times 0.4 is negative 2. Negative 5 times negative 1.6, that's 8. And negative 5 times negative 0.6, right? Yeah, negative 0.6 is 3. So that's inverse of that. And we're trying to find vector x. So you just multiply that by b. Negative 7, 8, negative 2, 3, and multiply by b. So negative 7 times negative 3 is 21. I'll make this noticeable. Negative 7 times negative 3 is 21. 21 plus negative 4 is 17. And 8 times negative 3 is negative 24. Plus 3 times 2, which is 6. So negative 18. I'm gonna check if this is correct. That's the answer I have right now, as of right now. I'll make sure it's correct by plugging it in. So when x is 17 and y is negative 18, negative 0.6 times, okay, so negative 0.6 times 17 plus negative 0.4 times 17 is negative 17. Wait. So I found the determinant, the inverse, and okay. Oh wait, I did it wrong. I did my math wrong. Okay, so I did my checking math wrong. So negative 0.6 times 17 plus negative 0.4 times negative 18. And that gives me negative 3. Okay, so 17 is correct, 100%. And 1.6 times 17 plus 1.4 times negative 18 is 2. Wait, but I got 2. Wait, I got positive 2 in the calculator. 1.6 times 17. Something's wrong. Something is wrong. Hold on. 1.4. Something is wrong. Okay, let me undo everything. Where did I make my mistake? Let's find it. Find negative 5. Swap that. Negate both. Okay, 5. Negative 7. 8. Negative 2. 3. Okay, that's correct. And negative 3. Oh, yeah. Okay. This is why you always check your work. This is negative 2. Okay, now that we multiply it. Negative 7 times negative 3 is 21. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. That's 25. And 8 times negative 3 is negative 24. 3 times negative 2 is negative 30. Okay, now we'll check it again. Okay, so negative 0.6 times 25 plus negative 0.4 times negative 30. Yeah, that gives us negative 3. And 1.6 times 25 plus 1.4 times negative 30. That gives us negative 2. Okay, great. 25 and negative 30. Alright, that was close. This transformation performed on the following rectangle. What's the area of the image of the rectangle under this transformation? Okay, so I'll find a determinant. I'll find a determinant. I'll find a determinant of this matrix transformation. So 8 times d is 5 times 4, so 20 minus negative 80. That equals 100. That's the determinant. So that's the factor we're scaling by. And for this is 9, and this is 4. 36. 36 times 10% battery rating. 36 times 100 is 3600. Yeah, 3600. Very good. And that's the matrices unit test. We have just 3 units left. Limits and continuity is a long one.